Welcome back, students. Now we are going to discuss about our next topic. So in July 1794, after the execution of Robespierre, convention government after come to an end. Now I ask you, what after Robespierre? That is convention government. After the downfall of convention government, there was a formation of a new government in France. That was the Directory rule in France. Now you see, students, in 1794 the Directory rule was there in France. Now you can easily understand the political instability in France. 1789 was the date of French Revolution. And from 1789 to 1794, a series of changes in government. So, in 1794, Directory rule was there in France. The fall of the Jacobin government allowed the wealthier middle class to seize the power. It means, once again, power came in the hands of the rich people. A new constitution was introduced which denied the vote to the poor people. It means right to vote was once again given to the rich people in the society. It provided for 2 elected legislative council. Then these councils appointed a director. The council will appoint a directory. It was an executive body made up of 5 members. So the rule was under the control of the 5 different members, executive members from the different elite section of the society. This was meant as a safeguard against the concentration of power in one-man executive as under Jacobin. So, to distribute the power and to avoid concentration of power in one man hand, the executive body was made up of 5 different members, which was known as the Board of Directory. So 5 different members made the Board of Directory. But the directors often clashed with legislative council, who then sought to dismiss them. You can easily understand the political instability. The Directory rule was one of the most weak rule in France. Instable government was there in France, and I am telling you, student, this instability political instability ultimately led to the rise of Napoleon in France. That we are going to learn later. But why Napoleon, a dictator, came to power? Because of this political instability. But one thing I must say, students, that in spite of all this political instability, the ideals of freedom, of equality before the law, and of fraternity remained inspiring ideals that motivated political movements in France and rest of the Europe during the following century. So this is how things were there. So Directory rule was there. That's all for today, students. We will continue with this. Thank you very much.